Figure we give the rookie a try.
We don't have that high-techery here.
Yeah.
Check out this. I got another wheel in for repair. And the guy said he bought these wheels used, and the person did not disclose that they were cracked. Instead, they had put some sort of goop all over it. I don't know if it's JB Weld or tar or something, some black goo. But I find that really hard. Not really hard to believe, but really discouraging in human nature that somebody could make a repair like that and then not tell somebody that they sold them to that there was a crack in it and they fixed it, or they tried to fix it. That's a mess. There we go. Got it all welded up. Had to sandblast it to get all this tar junk, whatever it is, undercoating. I don't know what they used. Welded it all up, made a big old V in it, big old notch. Welded it a few times to get it to smooth out and get the flow on both sides, but should be fine.
We know where we're going, so I don't cuss.
Letting the rookie take a spin right now.
Why is that, Dan?
What?
Why is that?
Oh, because I missed some spots.
So the pro messed up, so I got to take and do what he had to do.
Finish it. Get the finisher.
Let
Close it.
The rooks take a spinsy.
Yeah. This is actually really fun to me, though.
It's fun the first 10 hours. Hey guys, want to see something real funny? Might make you a little bit uncomfortable. Let me know. Comment section.
Comment section below.
Nobody ever comments.
You know, I'm gonna comment on it and be like, yeah, that made me really uncomfortable. It's like, you should delete this video because
It's flagged by YouTube for inappropriate content.
it's like, really?
Like that and...
Poppers, what's the matter,
Oh,
buddy?
if you want to get banned, if you want to get flagged on YouTube, just put a gun in the video. You'll be all, this video will be done.
You can't say gun in a metal shop.
Alright, y'all good?
Sorry.
Edit.
I'm distracted.
Oh man, you should have seen me, what was it? When I was welding something up and I put a bead on it and my bead didn't actually weld and I just poured it up and it fell apart. I was like, you gotta edit that out.
Nope.
In. Going in.
Alright.
Wait. Should I put so you're not looking into it?
Yeah.
It's a little hot.
Test it with your fingers, see if you still.
Nah, it's cold.
Come on, Rooks, do it. Poppy, get out of there. Come here. Man, he's way better at me than that. Spark went in my knee hole. Smells like burnt hair. Give me attention, give me attention. Give me attention. Is it rolling? Give me attention. Give me attention. Give me attention. Attention, attention. This is what happens when you're an only child, actually. All right, I feel validated.
Yeah.
Big man, little man, see what I mean? Yo, what you mean?
Good, good. Oh, I just looked at that. Blinded myself.
Oh, what my old ass?
Edit that out. For some reason I have that stuck in my head. Not because I don't wipe my own ass, because I don't know, it's from Big Daddy.
Yeah, because that movie is relevant. All right, today we got to epoxying this. Apparently it's gray. It looks like more like beige than the black.
Says the colorblind guy.
Is it gray?
It looks like gray, and then somebody like puked in it and put a little bit back.
Yeah, it's really really thick, like taffy.
Tell you what, those barrels look really good.
So tomorrow we're going to put a second coat on it, but we're going to cut it with some acetone, so it's a little bit more pliable. So we can get it in under some spots, get it down in here. Make sure we top coat some of this because we see some holes, although it's not showing up in the camera. It looks great on the camera. Show that it's not perfectly smooth.
You should just been like, we done it perfect the first time. So
First try ever.
nobody would know no different.
Only took 2 cigarettes.
All right, Dan, you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Do some stuff that helps other people out today. I'm talking to myself.
Yes, Dan needs help today.
It's the fumes, man. It's the fumes.
There's our mess. This stuff was like taffy. It was nasty taffy. So, yeah, it smells great. Yeah, we did it. Well, we decided to paint it right before we left. That way we didn't have to smell it. Now it'll take like 16 hours before we can redo it. Retop coat it. I think that's what it said here.
PPG paints. We're not
16
sponsored.
hours to recoat. Accelerated recoat is 9 hours, but we're not accelerated. 8 hours to touch.
Touch it.
And I've been touching it all afternoon, pulling out parts of the roller. Yeah.
Anyways.
Alrighty, guys. Talk to you next time.
It smells like the inside of my grandma's purse.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Things is going boom boom.
This one's for you, Dan. Rim jab.